Grandma, your village looks so peaceful and beautiful.
Yes, my child, life here is simple, but it is full of peace and nature. This is where I grew up. These fields hold many memories. Nature has a way of calming the heart.
Grandma, how do plants grow from the soil?
Everything begins with a small seed. When we plant it with care, it slowly grows into something beautiful.
But it needs water, sunlight, and time.
So we must be patient.
Yes, good things always take time to grow.
Hold the seed gently and place it in the soil.
Like this?
Yes, very good. Now cover it softly. Every seed you plant today will grow into something useful.
It feels like I am creating life.
How much water do plants need?
Not too much and not too little. Balance is important.
Just like in life.
So plants also need care every day?
Yes. Care and attention make everything grow stronger.
Grandma, look! The plants are coming out.
Yes, this is the reward of patience. See how something small becomes something alive?
I feel proud of these plants.
Grandma, will the rain damage the plants?
Sometimes nature tests us.
But strong plants learn to survive.
I hope they stay safe.
Don't worry. Life always finds a way.
They look so strong now.
Because they faced sun, rain, and wind.
Challenges make everything stronger.
Just like people?
Exactly, my child.
Grandma, are these the same seeds we planted?
Yes, now they are ready to harvest. This is the happiest moment for a farmer.
Can I help?
Of course. Carefully cut and collect them.
I never knew farming needed so much effort.
Every grain of food has a story behind it.
We should always respect food and never waste it.
I will remember this forever.
That is the true learning.
Today was the best day of my life.
Simple days often become the most meaningful. What did you learn today?
That patience, care, and hard work create something beautiful.
And that is the lesson of life.
Life is like a seed. With patience, care, and time, it grows into something meaningful. Respect nature, respect food, and respect the effort behind it.